Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux 2019.2 in VirtualBox on Windows 10. Okay, so guys, if you don't have this VirtualBox installed on Windows 10, then just open your web browser and go to this website virtualbox.org. And here we have the download VirtualBox 6.0, the version, current version we have. Okay, you can click on this link also, and also you can click on this downloads. And here we have the VirtualBox 6.0.8 platform packages. This is the latest version currently we have. Okay, so here we have the Windows hosts. You need to click on this and just choose the folder where you want to download this setup file of VirtualBox. So I want to download it on my desktop, so I need to click on it to select it, and after that click on this save button. You can see at the bottom left of my browser it's downloading, so we need to wait. Okay guys, so the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the desktop. So here is the setup file of VirtualBox, so just double click on it to run this setup file. And here we have the wizard. Click on this next button, click on this next button, let it be default, next button, and then click on this yes button. Click on this install. Okay guys, you can see Oracle VM VirtualBox 6.0.8 installation is complete. Okay, so just uncheck this and then click on this finish button. So installation is now done. You can see the shortcut. You can open your VirtualBox from here by double clicking on it, and you can see guys, here we have the VirtualBox opened. You can also open this VirtualBox by using another method. So let me click on this close. Okay, so just go to this Windows 10 search box over here, click on it and then type VirtualBox. You can see here we have the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click on it and you can see guys, it's now opened. Okay, so VirtualBox installation is done on Windows 10. Let's install Kali Linux 2019.2. Okay, so in order to install Kali Linux 2019.2, we have to download the ISO file of this. So for that, just open your web browser. Okay, so let me close this, and you need to go to this website kali.org. And here we have the website of Kali Linux opened, and here we have the downloads. So just hover your mouse on this downloads, and here we have the download Kali Linux. Click on it to open this, and here we have the Kali Linux downloads. Scroll down, and here we have the Kali Linux 64-bit, Kali Linux 32-bit, and other versions. Okay, but we're gonna install Kali Linux 64-bit in this tutorial. In order to download this ISO file of this, you can download via HTTP. So you can just click on this link, and you can see it's asking us to select the place where we want to download this ISO file of Kali Linux. Okay, so suppose if I want to download it on the desktop, I need to select it by clicking on it and then click on this save button. You can see guys, at the bottom left of my browser it's downloading. So I already downloaded this Kali Linux ISO file, so let me cancel this. Okay, so let me go to the file. So here I have my Kali Linux 2019.2 ISO file already downloaded. Okay, so guys, in order to install this, just open your VirtualBox, and after that you need to click on this new, this button, and here we have the name and operating system. So in name I'm giving Kali, and machine folder I'm leaving this default. Okay, and the type, click on this box, and here we have the options. So just choose Linux, and here we have the version. So just click on this box over here, and we get various options. Okay, so you can see we don't have Kali over here, so we need to select Debian 64-bit. Okay, so after that click on this next button, and here we have the memory size. The recommended memory size is 1024 megabytes. Okay, so I'm giving 3072 megabytes. Okay, you can give the memory size that you like, but at least 1024 megabytes is required. Okay, and after that click on this next button, and here we have the hard disk. Create a virtual hard disk now. Okay, so leave this default, and the recommended size of the hard disk is 8 gigabytes. Okay, so after that click on this create button. VDI VirtualBox disk image, it's fine, so just select it and then click on this next button. Dynamically allocated, it's fine, and then click on this next button. And here we have the file location and size. So the file location, I am leaving this default, and here we have the size, so I'm giving 64 gigabytes. You can give the size that you want. Okay, but at least 8 gigabytes is required. Okay, after that click on this create button, and you can see guys, the virtual machine is now created, and we have to do some settings. So for that, just select your virtual machine, this Kali, and then click on this settings. Okay, and here we have this system, click on it, and here we have the base memory, the RAM that we given. You can see 3072 megabytes. You can change from here if you like. Okay, and here we have the processor, so you can give the number of processor that you like. So I'm giving 3 processors. You can give the number of processors that you like. Okay, and after that, here we have the storage. Okay, so just click on it, and here we have the empty this disk under controller IDE. Okay, so just click on this empty, and here we have the little disk icon, this button, click on this, and here we have the choose virtual optical disk file. Click on it, and just to browse to the folder where you have your Kali Linux 2019.2 ISO file. Okay, so I have on desktop. You can see I already downloaded this over here. So after that, just select your ISO and then click on this open button. And you can see guys, the ISO is now selected, and after that you can click on this OK button. So it's now done, the settings are now done. After that, click on this start button. You can see guys, it's starting out. Okay, so here we have the interface. So just to use your arrow keys, downward arrow key, and go to this location, graphical install, and then hit enter key on the keyboard. And guys, here we have the select a language. Okay, so just choose your language. I'm selecting English, and then click on this continue button, and just select your location. So I'm selecting mine, and after that click on this continue button. And here we have the configure the keyboard. Okay, so I'm selecting American English. You can select the keyboard layout according to your requirements. Okay, so I'm selecting American English, and after that click on this continue button. And here we have the configure the network. This is the host name Kali, it's fine. After that click on this continue button. Configure the network, so just leave this blank, and after that click on this continue button. And here we have the setup users and passwords. Okay, so you need to set a password for root this user. So here you can see root password. So just give the password that you like, and after that re-enter password to verify, and after that click on this continue button. And here we have the partition disks. Okay, so just choose this guided use entire disk. Okay, and after that click on this continue button. And here we have the partition disks. Select disk to partition, so just select this. Okay, and after that click on this continue button. And here we have the partition disks, all files in one partition, recommended for new users. So just select this and then click on this continue button. Okay, so finish partitioning and write changes to disks. So just select this and then click on this continue button. And here we have the partition disks again, and write the changes to disks. Okay, so just choose yes by clicking on this, and then click on this continue button. As you can see guys, it's installing the system, so we need to wait. So it can take some time, like 10 to 15 minutes, so just wait for that. Okay guys, so here we have the configure the package manager. Okay, so use a network mirror, so just choose yes and then click on this continue button. And here we have the configure the package manager, again the HTTP proxy information. Okay, so just leave this blank and then click on this continue button. It's installing grub bootloader, so just wait. And you can see guys, here we have the window, install the grub bootloader on a hard disk. Okay, so just choose yes and then click on this continue button. Okay, and here just choose the second option. Okay, and then click on this continue button. So you can see it's installing grub bootloader. It's finishing the installation. So guys, the installation is completed, and just click on this continue button. And you can see guys, here we have the username, so just type root. Click on this next button. Just provide your password that you have given, and then click on this sign in button. Okay guys, we are now logged in to Kali Linux. Okay, so it's now installed in VirtualBox. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.